Hey, what's up guys? In this video, if you're an online fitness coach, I'm gonna show you guys a ton of killer new fitness marketing secrets to make money off your Instagram account. This stuff actually works. I'm gonna do a bunch of screen shares of just a ton of my students who are doing some really cool things, just give you some insights, some behind the scenes on the type of things you should be doing if you wanna grow your business to 10,000, 20,000. Some of the individuals I'm about to share with you are literally doing $200,000 to $500,000 a month selling fitness coaching. That's right. So we're just going to dive in. One of the very first things is a scholarship promotion. These promotions work extremely well, and it's where you give away money in exchange for people telling you why they would be a great success story. And you get people to sell you on why you should give them some scholarship money to put towards your coaching program. It is super deadly. It is one of our trade secrets. It's something that a lot of our students have used to climb to 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 plus months. Another big one that works really well is posting a reel every single day. Now, if you look at some of the guys who are doing this the best, Sean Nalawani, actually an individual who I started my online business with way back in the day. We were direct competitors, and Sean had the truth about muscle, the truth about fat loss, and I had no nonsense muscle building. And I just actually revisited his content recently and saw that he is crushing the reels. This is a guy that you should study. If you can see here, his reels are getting over 6 figures, and he has a very simple formula for creating great reels, and it is looking at things that are incorrect. He's polarizing. He is pointing out that's wrong, this is right, and he's providing very helpful, very educational content, but he's got very strong hooks. He's telling people to stop doing this, do this, and he's giving his honest feedback, and this is what people love the most. So a great little hack is to find content in your space that you don't agree with and then commentate on it. Now, I don't recommend being a jerk or being a hater, but definitely point out why this is a concern or what your thoughts are on it. This is the type of content that gets the most engagement, and you can see he does a fantastic job with his imagery. His thumbnails are very natural. They're created, I believe, on the app. He's got great muscularity. It's very intriguing when you look at the thumbnail, which is 75% of the click, to want to see, hey, what does he have to say next? He's not solving the mystery with the thumbnail. So a daily reel, and if you have the capacity, you want to build this up to 2 to 3 reels per day. The next strategy to make money online is what we call comment for value posts. This one is deadly. Do you see this post right here? Who wants my summer abs training program? My clients use this to get their midsections absolutely shredded, ready for summer. Comment below abs to get the plan. A bonus one in the caption. So what he's doing is he's asking people, do you want this valuable gift? All you need to do is comment below. And then how does this translate into revenue? Well, guess what? You have to give it to them. So you deliver it to them in the DM, and then the next day you can follow up and ask them a simple question. Hey, how'd you like the training plan? How are you hoping to use this? And now you're creating an opportunity to build rapport and segue into seeing if they want even more help with their fitness goals, and maybe they'll book a call. But guess what? They've received value in advance, which is why they'll be more receptive to having the conversation with you. So that is the third strategy, and you should be doing those weekly, once a week on your page. This is how you're gonna get high quality people consuming your content and possibly ready to schedule a call with you. The next one is 5 to 8 Instagram stories, sharing the success of a student or by sharing a transformation that you've had in your life leading to a call to action. This one here in particular, it is sharing an announcement that's coming up. It looks like there's a webinar or some event that's coming up with a client that just got her photos taken. She's lost a lot of weight, and you can see that if you're going through this story and you're intrigued by this, well, guess what? There is an opportunity to learn from her and her coach. They're going live, and there's a countdown here. So guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna have a live event Sue's going to interview Dana here, it looks like, and she's going to share some of her best transformation secrets. And I'm going to guess at the end of the call, there will be an invitation to get the same transformation plan that she followed. And after they've heard stories, they've been inspired, they've had their self-limiting beliefs addressed, they are now ready to take action. So this is a really simple way to use stories to promote events that will bring people to a setting where they can get more long-form content and value in order to be warmed up to actually hiring you as a coach. All right, our fourth tip here is a different style of comment for value post. All right, this is a lead generation post. This one's from Eric, really well done. And he is featuring the transformation of one of his students from stuck to stud, how to break through plateaus after 30. So he's calling directly out to his avatar. And you'll see what happens here is he tells a story. After you turn 30, getting stuck in your fitness journey can almost be seen as normal. You just get older and less fit, right? And that's exactly what my client Jason thought. So he's starting off addressing a limiting belief. Very, very powerful. He tried many different things, but he couldn't break through his fat loss plateau, no matter the time and effort he dedicated to it. All right, so now he's making this limiting belief relatable to what other people likely believe as well. But after he joined the Shirt Off Project, so that's the name of his coaching program, he was able to completely transform his body thanks to focusing on just 3 things that I taught him. All right, so he's creating intrigue. All right, and then the last one, here's the money slide. I made a detailed video explaining the 3 steps that helped him break through this plateau after 30. Be one of the first 15 people to comment below plateau, and I'll personally send you that video. So now he's got a bunch of people who are engaging with this post, and he creates a short, 5 to 10 minute Loom video riffing on the actual tips, the steps. But in order for people to get it, they have to identify themselves as somebody that's interested, right? Because you want qualified people. And this is something that you can do once per week. And then you send out a video and you do the same thing that I shared with the other Eric, is you follow up with them in the DM and you ask them, hey, was that helpful? Is there anywhere else I could support you? What's your number one goal? What's your number one struggle? And you can move into a conversation after you've given first. All right, you've led with value. Now people are receptive to have a conversation. Does that make sense? Really simple stuff, right? So that's it. The last tip I want to give you guys is not actually tactical, but just so you guys know, when you want to start making money online from Instagram, it's okay if it's slow, right? It's not supposed to happen overnight. These things compound with time. These are very powerful strategies. If you implement those 4 things with the mindset that you're not supposed to grow rapidly, you're not supposed to make money rapidly, this is not normal, all right? That this is a long-term journey. Building a 7-figure business is going to take you 3-4+ years, if not longer. All right, it's going to cost you more time, more money, more effort than you anticipate. So if you have this mindset that you're not supposed to grow fast and make money fast, and you can just continue to show up and implement this stuff that I shared with you, then you will slowly get traction and you will finally find yourself in a stable place where you can provide for your family, you can provide for yourself, and you can start having more flexibility and fulfillment in your life because you're doing life on your terms. So I hope those Instagram tips are super helpful for you. This is what I do full time. We coach over 1,000 different clients right now, all in the health and fitness space, who are growing high ticket coaching businesses. If that's something that you're interested in learning more about, if this is a journey that you want to pursue or step up, then message me on Instagram or Facebook at Vince Del Monte, and we'll have a conversation and we'll see how we can serve you best. Thanks so much for watching this video, and let me know what I can cover in one of my upcoming videos by commenting below. I love serving the needs of the viewers of this channel. Thanks so much. Ciao, ciao.